Candlestick Zen. Every time you trade, there are some fees you must pay. It is a cost of doing business. But some costs are hidden from your eyes. Open your eyes. Make sure that you make profit, not a loss. There are several obvious fees that you must pay every time you trade. But there are also some hidden ones. There are fees you will pay whenever you initiate or end a specific trade. Let's take Forex trading as an example. The first obvious fee is the difference between the ask and the bid price. You will pay this difference to the market or sometimes to your broker. The difference between the ask and the bid price is called spread. Whenever you buy something, you buy at the ask price. This is the opening price of your trade. If you close your trade immediately, you will close it at the bid price with a loss. It is simply because the bid price is lower than the ask price. The similar thing happens when you sell. You sell at the lower bid price and you close the sell position at the ask price. This means that every time you trade, you start in negative. The market must move in your preferred direction for you to even get to zero. Then, if it moves more, you will be able to close your trade in profit. Spread will have more influence on profitability of scalping strategies. It will have moderate influence on day trading strategies. Swing traders will usually not feel any larger influence of spread on their strategies. Different brokers will have different spreads. Be careful while using charts, especially when you're selling. Most of charts are plotted using only the bid price. This can be confusing because you might think that your price is different than it is. The next obvious expense is the broker's commission. Every broker has different commissions and you should find one that suits your trading style. The commissions will be paid at the time of closing the trade, so they might be easy to miss. Be sure that you know what are the commissions for the asset you want to trade. Swing traders could avoid commissions if they select trading account with fixed spreads. Fixed spreads are always higher than real spreads. The broker must make money somehow, so if they don't charge you for commissions, they will take your money on spreads. In this case, they will also be able to trade against you, so be aware. Fixed spreads are not convenient for scalpers and most of day traders. Even if the cost of commission is the same as the additional spread, commission is paid at the end of the trade and spread is paid at the beginning. Paying at the beginning of the trade can dramatically lower the winning rate of scalping strategies. The third fee is called rollover rate or overnight swap. This one you mostly pay to banks or your broker. Rollover rate is the cost of holding a currency overnight. Swap rate is the difference of interest rates between the currency pairs traded. Different brokers will prefer one term or the other. Basically, what it means is how much you must pay to hold your trade overnight, or, in some cases, how much you get paid to hold your trade overnight. Yes, in some rare cases, this third fee isn't going to be a fee at all, it's going to be your profit. Very few Forex pairs have a positive rollover or swap rate. Most brokers will charge triple rates on Wednesdays. This is to compensate for weekends when Forex market is closed. Since scalpers and day traders do not keep their trades open during the night, this cost usually affects only swing traders and long-term investors. You can avoid overnight costs with certain brokers that offer Islamic accounts. Islamic trading accounts do not have overnight fees. And yes, you can open this kind of account no matter what your religion is. To summarize, three obvious fees in trading are spread, commission, and rollover or swap rate. But those are not the only ones. You trade with your money. That means that your money is locked and you cannot invest it somewhere else. This could be justified only if you have better returns trading than investing somewhere else. Of course, at the beginning, while you learn, it is not a business. In that case, you are paying for your education, and you shouldn't expect any profit yet. The other expense you have is your time, and time is money. Trading makes sense only if you make more money per hour than doing anything else. You should know that only few percent of traders make money trading, and they make a lot of money, but most of traders lose their money trading. Trading can be a waste of time and money if you don't dedicate to it. You being here and watching this video is a sign that you want to learn and become a better trader. If you are persistent enough, you might just make it after all. Candlestick Zen.